It's Monday, February 8th, 2021. So we got this Jeep right here. We're doing a fender delete, changing out the bumpers, putting tubular bumpers on it. I did recommend that the customer put some off-road mud tires on it. Just, give it that aggressive look since you're doing the fender delete. This is the fender delete here. Over here we got this 70 model or 78 model, I think. Malibu. It's about to go back in the booth to get refinished. Oh yeah, let me show y'all these trucks. So this is another all over we doing. It's a 90-something GMC truck. Getting the body work done. Got this 2006. We're putting the conversion kit on there for the 2016. 2006 F350 conversion kit, 2016 Ford front end. It's gonna look real good. Over here we got another Jeep. Just put a new diff on there. Customer came in on a tow truck. Differential was broke. The control arm had broke off the bracket. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna disassemble the truck. We're gonna wrap it. It's gonna be nice when we get done with it. This is another project we got going on. That's Phil. Say hey, Phil. It's a 85 GMC truck. Just got a nice refinish on it done here, in-house. We also got a bed liner. For all your original parts, as far as accessories, chrome bumpers, lights, I recommend you order off of LMC. First time I ran into an issue, but they sent me a bent cab molding. But they did correct it. I actually just got the new one in today. So this is it. And I probably didn't even have to wait a week, so I appreciate that.